What's up guys, Adam here from Chili's for Mere Mortals. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my chicken wing recipes using a Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Now this hot sauce is by Torchbearer. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to pick this sauce up. It's super hot, and if you guys use my link, I could get a commission. So let's get to preparing the wings. First thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare a simple rub before we move these wings over to the Weber Kettle Grill. So I'm using about 3 pounds of chicken wings, so let's go ahead and get that rub ready. So we're going to put about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper into the rub. We're also adding about a tablespoon of black pepper as well, and about another teaspoon of kosher salt. As you can see, really simple. We're just going to mix that up and coat it over the wings. Want a pretty even coat, just like this. Then go ahead and mix the wings together. Again, this is just a basic rub to get the wings going. We're going to make a sauce in the next part of the video. As you can see, we have the rub on our wings and we're ready to take them out to the Weber Kettle Grill. So our coals are really hot right now, so we want to make sure we wear gloves. So put these on one side of the kettle grill. So as you guys can see, we have the chicken wings on the right side of the grill, and we're using an indirect method of cooking. The coals are on the left side and the chicken wings are on the right. So we're going to let these cook for about an hour. About half an hour in, we're going to flip these, and about 45 minutes in, we're going to put the hot sauce glaze on. Alright guys, so now that the wings are on the grill, I'm going to start to get the sauce ready. So the main ingredient in this sauce is the Rapture by Torchbearer. Again, this is a Carolina Reaper hot sauce. So we're going to use about half a bottle of this. So let's get that sauce ready while those chicken wings are cooking. So the first step in making this Carolina Reaper hot sauce glaze is to melt 5 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you don't melt this at too high of a heat. You don't want the butter to brown. And then you want to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cook the garlic for about a minute inside the butter. And then add half a bottle of the Rapture hot sauce by Torchbearer. Stir well so you make sure you mix the hot sauce into the butter. And then, depending on how hot you like it, 1/4 cup of honey, maybe more if you want it a little sweeter. And mix this well as well. So the next step is to add 1/4 cup of ketchup. Again, you want to stir everything very well and add 1 teaspoon of dry chives and 1 teaspoon of dry parsley. Again, stir well, and then this is all set. As you see, this chicken wing hot sauce glaze is really simple. So let's go ahead and take this out to the grill and put these on the wings. Alright guys, so here we have them, the Carolina Reaper honey hot sauce glazed wings. I also have some plain wings on the other side for people who can't tolerate the heat. But if you can tolerate the heat and you like these types of videos, hot sauce videos, cooking videos, and chili gardening videos, please consider subscribing.